fresh biosign. On your way if you would. That sounds distinctly like a Predasite. Deimos' most majestic predator. Let's hope it's not with its young. They can get aggressive when defending their offspring against a perceived threat. Be wary when luring Predasites. You might get more than one coming to the party, and you won't be the kind of company they were expecting. Do you know what that is? It's a Medjay Predasite. What a rare and unexpected find. Judging by its size, I'd say you'll have to drink it twice. What a magnificent creature. I want to rest my cheek against its chest and listen to its entrails stirring in its sleep. Wander freely through this savage, romping ground as you wish. See you around.
Go on, dear. Thank you, dear. Very kind. Scurry back quick. Skippity hop. Let us negotiate. Earning the trust of this family is no small thing. Small thing. Your